The Walterdale, formerly the 5th Street Bridge, began as a horse and wagon bridge at pioneer industrialist John Walter's old ferry crossing in 1913. It was constructed by the Dominion Bridge Company.
It's an old steel truss bridge, and right now it's only 2 lanes, and things tend to queue up at peak hours on that bridge. A number of the bridges that were built in the early 1900s in the city of Edmonton are all the same. So they're all the steel truss bridges because that was the technology at the time and people knew how to do that. I don't think there's too many bridges that are being built that way now. You're looking at typical concrete girders or steel girders and things like that. The big benefit to the design that we're working on now is that there's not going to be any piers in the river when we're done. The bridge is going to span with the arch all the way across from the north bank to the south bank.
Construction of the future bridge and roadways project is scheduled to begin in early 2013. Here's the plan.
Our scope of work with this project includes building right now a 3-lane bridge, that all 3 lanes northbound. So that's 1 more lane that's there now. As well, it'll have some shoulders on both sides to allow people a little bit of a shy distance, make it a little safer. The road work that we're doing is minimal on the north side. It's basically just to tie the new bridge in immediately east of the existing bridge onto the road alignment there. On the south side, there's a bit more road work. We're doing Walterdale Hill Road from the top, from 109th Street all the way down. That's going to reduce from 3 lanes to 2 lanes. Queen Elizabeth Park Road that's coming down is going to become 3 lanes a little further up, but not all the way to the top, probably about 1/3 of the way up from the bottom. And that is just realizing that we're not trying to really increase capacity a whole bunch here because there's so many limiting factors upstream and downstream that control the traffic flow.
Overall projected cost is $132 million. Other area bridge projects include the province's Northeast Henday north of Sherwood Park and a future LRT bridge in Edmonton. But the public wants more.
Safer walkways is what you're looking for.
I'm looking for that, yeah.
You think there should be more bridges here?
Oh yes, definitely. We really do need another bridge at where 50th Street is.
Need more bridges, more access to the south side.
Where would you like to see a bridge? Another one?
Rundle.
Meanwhile, the Walterdale concept begins construction in 2013.
In the process of finalizing the prelim report, that's a big milestone to get through, and then we start working on the detailed engineering. There's the Rossdale repurposing site, there's the West Rossdale redevelopment, and then there's some work over Kinsman and Queenie Park, so that's an exciting part of the city.
Tim Dancy, Shaw TV Capital Region.